expanding its collaboration with various countries like US, Japan, Italy. What new bilateral, multilateral space missions can we expect in the future, sir?
No, I think at the outset I must compliment the organizers. As I said, the very fact that all you guys are waiting over here to have an interview related to space, in fact, is in itself a testimony to the fact that the space sector has arrived. The India space sector has indeed arrived. And as I said, even while making my initial points over here on the stage, I said space has given us space in the media. So thank you. And that itself, I think, is a validation of all the good work that has been done in the last over half a decade, ever since Prime Minister Modi decided to open up the space sector to private players, which some of you guys also described very fondly as the unlocking of the space, which was waiting to happen 6-7 decades. Had it happened earlier, we would have gone much ahead. But now the pace has been so fast that not only we have quality startups, they are also turning into very lucrative entrepreneurs, and India has now started attracting engagement, investment in the space sector from across the world. So as I said, India is fast emerging as a preferred global destination for space sector engagement and space sector investment. And therefore, from a dismal economy, we are today 8 billion US economy, and we hope to go up. The pace is so rapid, fast, that we hope to go up 4 or 5 times in the next 8-10 years, which means around 40-45 billion. In other words, in the making of Viksit Bharat, as we move upwards from rank 4, 3, 2, 1 and all, and so on, space will be an important contributor in India's future economic growth.
And that's why you mentioned about the Operation Sindoor also. Is it significant with this?
Of course, now the entire warfare has been totally transformed into a technology-driven warfare. The contact warfare is now on the decline, or you can say on way out. And the Operation Sindoor was one of the best vindications of India's achievements, both in the space sector as well as in the atomic energy sector. And we have succeeded in demonstrating our capacities, which would not otherwise be easy to demonstrate, because you can't, blow missiles and just test how efficiently it works. But incidentally, Pakistan gave us an opportunity to test our capacities.